Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. Today I'm going to show you how to make an ocean scene. It's very simple. There's a moon, and to create the moon, first of all, we'll start with that. You go and insert, shapes, and you just select this moon. You go shape format. I'm just going to lock it in here. Always show ribbon. This is Word 2021, by the way. I've since upgraded the Office version. Shape fill, you just choose a gray. You can leave the outline black, and you can rotate it. I also switch it to fixed position, and then you go into shape effects, and I'm just going to move the moon over here. Shape effects, bevel, and just select the bevel. That's it for the moon. Let's get rid of this as well. So if you go into shape format here, fill, you can also go right click, format shape, and it'll bring you here. What you do is you choose gradient fill, and what I did is I changed it to radial for the type, and then you go into preset gradients, and then you can choose one of these. I've chosen this one, and then I just minimized it a little bit, and then same thing with this bottom one. We chose linear, and then we chose one of these two, the angle 0. You can just align them and then group them. Thanks for watching.